Welcome back for another Litecoin price prediction analysis, and in this video I will be sharing my next price targets and also give you reasons why Litecoin needs to continue holding above the $82.62 mark. And before I do so, show some love by first giving this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And at the time of this recording, Litecoin is holding below the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, which is now acting as resistance for us to continue gearing up. And we are seeing a bit of a breakdown move here on the charts after the halving, and also after losing our significant area of support at around the $91.35 mark. And the next significant area of support that we have on the charts lies at around the $82.62 mark, which is an area that we need to continue holding for us to continue expecting higher prices. Litecoin has also been obeying the Elliot structures, where you can see that after putting a low in place on the 14th of June at around the $70.75 mark, we started gearing up impulsively, where we managed to put in place the high for that first wave, then a wave 2, a wave 3, a wave 4, and then a wave 5, giving us a high at around the 115, that is above the $115 mark, completing the formation of these larger Elliot wave count 1. Then we started a breakdown move in the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 2, in a move that has now managed to get into the minimum retracement areas highlighted on the charts using this red target area, which is an area that I came up with using the Fibonacci's, connecting them from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, giving me a minimum retracement area between the fib level 0.382 and the fib level 0.78, which is an area that lies between the $98.23 mark and the $80.48 mark, which is an area that we have almost fully maximized. And there are high chances that Litecoin has a low in place for the second wave, and soon we can see that massive pump to the upper side in the formation of this wave 3. And assuming that Litecoin is not going to give us one more new low in the formation of this wave 2 within this red target area, I can give you minimum target areas for the third wave using a trend-based Fibonacci, connecting it from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave. And that now gives me a minimum target area for the third wave at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $157.32 mark. And that is the minimum that we can expect that third wave to the upper side to do. Alternatively, because we need to be prepared for a breakdown move also, in case we don't see a bounce from the prices that we are trading within and break above resistances here on the charts, then there are chances that we might continue seeing further breakdown. And in case such a movement plays out, then I need to see Litecoin continue to hold within this red target area between the $98.34 mark and the $80.63 mark. And as long as we continue holding within this red target area, I'm expecting higher prices in the formation of that wave 3. So for the breakdown targets, in case we continue seeing further breakdown, we have support at around the $82.62 mark, which is an area that we can find support and then get another bounce back to the upper side, breaking above resistances and continue gearing up above the $100 mark. But in case we continue, that is, we lose the $82.62 mark, then the last bullish area of support that we need to continue holding is at around the $80.3 mark. And a break below that, then we can expect further breakdown or maybe an even more bearish scenario here on the Litecoin chart. So that is what I'm keeping my eyes on here on the Litecoin chart. Also taking a look at the indicators to see what movements will be supported. On the RSI, we are trading at around the 47 mark, fully supporting higher prices. On the MACD, we have been able to print a bearish cross, suggesting further breakdown. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will be keeping you up to date.